The opening T20I between India and Sri Lanka on Sunday 25 July turned out to be a rather one-sided affair. The man in blue emerged victorious by 38 runs and took a crucial 1-0 lead in the three-match series. Bhuvneshwar Kumar's 4-wicket haul in the second innings sealed the ordeal for the visitors. The second and penultimate game of the series was scheduled to take place on 27th July, but from India, Krunal Pandya has been tested COVID positive, so the match has been postponed to tomorrow, 28th July, and it's a must-win game match for the host, Sri Lanka. India, meanwhile, will look to seal the fate of the series. In this video, you will get the weather report, pitch report, stadium states, team news, Dream 11 prediction, head-to-head records, venue, match date, match and toss timings, live telecast about the second T20I match between India vs Sri Lanka starting from 20th July. Let's start. The India vs Sri Lanka second T20I match will be played on 20th July 2021 at R. Premadasa Stadium in Colombo at Indian time 8 pm. India team tentative playing 11 for second T20I match. Captain Shikhar Dhawan, Prithvi Shaw, Surya Kumar Yadav, wicketkeeper Sanju Samson, wicketkeeper Ishan Kishan, Hardik Pandya. Instead of Krunal Pandya, we can see Rahul Chahar, Deepak Chahar, Bhuvneshwar Kumar, Yuzvendra Chahal and Varun Chakravarti. Sri Lanka team tentative playing 11 for second T20I match. Avishka Fernando, wicketkeeper Minod Bhanuka, Bhanuka Rajapaksa, Charit Asalanka, Vanindu Hasaranga, Dhananjay De Silva, Captain Dashun Shanaka, Kasun Rajitha, Chamika Karun Naratne, Lakshan Chandakan and Dushmantha Chamira. The India vs Sri Lanka second T20I match will be played at R. Premadasa Stadium in Colombo, Sri Lanka. Head-to-head states. Overall, both teams have played 20 international matches, out of which Sri Lanka have won 5 T20I international matches and India have won 14 T20I international matches. One match was tied. In Sri Lanka, total 6 matches have been played, out of which Sri Lanka have won 1 match and India have won 5 matches. Stadium states. The states of R. Premadasa Stadium in Colombo says that total 37 T20I international matches have been played there, out of which the batting first team have won 18 matches and the bowling first team have also won 18 matches. The average first innings score is 157 runs and the average second innings score is 138 runs. The highest total recorded was 215 for 5 wicket by Bangladesh vs Sri Lanka and the lowest total recorded was 80 for all out by Afghanistan. The highest score chased was 215 for 5 wicket by Bangladesh and the lowest score defended was 115 for 6 wicket by South Africa. Venue details and history. This is the details and history of R. Premadasa Stadium in Colombo, Sri Lanka. Pitch report. The pitch in Colombo was a good one for batting. However, bowlers also had their fair share from the surface. Run scoring in the power play will be crucial as the pitch is likely to get slower with the progression of an innings. Batting seconds will remain as the way forward. Weather report. The weather of R. Premadasa Stadium in Colombo will be rainy. The temperature will around in 29 degrees in the presence of cloud. Rain can also come during the match. Toss time and playing time. The toss of the match between India vs Sri Lanka will start at 7:30 pm Indian time and the playing time will start at 8 pm Indian time. Live telecast and live streaming. These all are the live telecasting channels of India vs Sri Lanka T20I match. In India, it will be live telecasted at Star Sports. In New Zealand, it will be live telecasted at Sky Sports New Zealand. In Australia, it will be live telecasted at Fox Sports. In United Kingdom, it will be live telecasted at Sky Sports channel. In United States, it will be live telecasted at Willow TV channel. In Canada, it will be telecasted at Willow TV Canada. In South Africa, it will be live telecasted at Super Sports channel. In Pacific Ocean, it will be telecasted at Ghazi TV GTE, and in Sri Lanka, it will be telecasted at Channel I. So, after all the analysis, the match prediction is India will win this match. According to you, who will win this match? Comment down. Thank you. If you like this video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.